James on Shelter Food and Beer. I've been dry aging a roast in the refrigerator for a week. I simply put this prime rib on a rack in the bottom of my beer refrigerator and just let it rest. And a week isn't really a dry aged beef, but it's just the way I prepare a roast before I cook it. The reason I put it outside in the beer refrigerator is I have a drawer underneath that separates it all by itself. Not to mention there is no food in that refrigerator. It's just beers and sodas, so that it doesn't get any food flavor or contaminations on it. I'm going to start out with salt, pepper, and garlic rub. And then I'll put a little of this Holy Voodoo by Meat Church on top of that. I also want to get it on the fat. It looks like a nice coating and everything. I will put that back in the refrigerator and let it rest for like 2 hours. I'm going to cook this prime rib on my kettle pot smoker, starting with a quick sear on the meat. Remove it. Indirect cooking for the remainder of the time, around 300-350 degrees. I'm also going to be using these Burning Barrel smoking chunks. They're from a stout barrel. It's smoker chunks. They have a really good aroma. I've never used them before. Thanks, John. Say 154. That's close to my target. Try over a few places. It really does look done. I'm pulling it. I would say that was about an hour and a half. Bringing it up to 154 internal temperature. A lot of juice on top. I'm going to let it rest. It smells fantastic. Very juicy. It's time for the review. I'm wearing this glove because I smashed my fingers with a hammer. Beautiful, tender, medium cook. Still got nice pink in it, but it's not barking at you. Flavor test. That's fantastic. Try a piece out here with the bark on it, all the seasoning and most of the smoke. Wow, that's good. The difference between a prime rib and a ribeye steak is not very different. It's how it's cooked, really. And this was cooked like a prime rib. Delicious. Thanks for watching Shelter Food, and it's time to have a beer. I think my next video will be posting the prime rib sandwiches that I'm making for the week out of this. Fantastic.